Are you ready to take control of your financial future? It is 2024, and the opportunities for building a successful online business are bigger than before. Whether you are looking to quit your 9-to-5 job, create a thriving business empire, the digital world has opened doors that were once unimaginable. So today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to start a profitable online business from the scratch. You don't need a huge budget, prior experience, or even a lot of time, just a willingness to learn and take action. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. And by the end of this video, you will have a solid blueprint to turn your ideas into money-making reality. Now, I will be breaking this process down into simple and easy to follow steps, from choosing the right business model to scaling your success. Now, before we jump into the technical stuff, let's talk about something that is absolutely crucial to your success in any business, and that is mindset. You can have the best strategy, tools, resources, but if you don't have the right mindset, none of this will work. Now here is what you need to focus on. Think long. Building an online business takes time and consistency. Now another thing that you need also to focus on is you need to embrace failure. Yes, embracing failure. Every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks. They are the part of the journey, not the end of it. Now the third thing that you need to focus on is you need to stay adaptable. The digital landscape changes quickly. To succeed, you need to be open to learning and evolving. Now another thing that you need to focus on before starting an online business is that you need to take action. Ideas are great, but they mean nothing without execution. Take action even if you feel scared. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, consistency, and the right mindset, you can make it happen. Now let's move into the practical steps. One of the biggest decisions that you will make, choosing your online business model. There are dozens of ways to make money online, but I'm going to walk you through the most profitable and scalable model in 2024. E-commerce is booming, especially with the rise of platforms like Shopify and Amazon. You can sell physical products online, either sourcing them yourself or using a model like dropshipping. The best part, you don't need a warehouse. You can ship directly from the suppliers. Another profitable online business that you can venture in is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing allows you to promote other people's products and services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It is a low risk. You don't need to create product of your own. Platforms like Amazon Associate, ClickBank makes it easy to start. Digital products are an amazing way of earning passive income. Once you create an online course, an ebook, or a membership site, you can sell it over and over again without any extra work. Popular platforms for this include Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or coding, freelancing can be a great way to start an online business. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. So if you are more tech savvy, building a SaaS business can be incredibly profitable. These are subscription-based softwares and tools that solves specific problem for a customer. These models are all proven to be profitable, but choose one that aligns with your interests. Once you pick your model, it is time to find your niche. Your niche is the specific group of people you will be serving with your products or services. You want a niche that is both profitable and something you are passionate about. Now here are 3 methods that will help you to find a profitable niche. The first one is that start by making a list of things you are passionate about. Then use tools like Google Trends and Uber Suggest to see if there is a demand in that area. A good niche solves a specific problem for a specific group of people. Think about the challenges you or the people you know face and how you can provide a solution. Another thing that you need to do is that you need to look at what is already working for others in your niche. Don't copy, but take what is popular and identify on how you can improve or differentiate. Once you have found your niche, it is time to set up your business. Now that you have chosen your business model and a niche, you need to create an online presence. That's where your potential customers will find you. Now let's start by building a website. Platforms like Wix, Shopify, and WordPress makes it easy to create a professional-looking website. Even if you have zero tech experience, your website is your digital storefront, so it needs to look good and easy to navigate. Another thing that you need to do is to create your brand. Your brand is not just logos or colors. It is the message you convey to your audience. Are you fun and approachable, or serious and professional? Your brand should reflect who you are and who you want to attract. In 2024, having a social media presence is a must. Focus on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Whether it is Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or even TikTok, consistently post valuable content to grow a following. Okay, so you have set up your website and you are ready to sell your products or services. But now, what you need is traffic. So let's go over to some of the best marketing strategies in 2024. The first one is SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your website so that it can rank higher in Google search. This is a long-term strategy, but once you start ranking, you will get consistent organic traffic. So the next thing is social media marketing. Social media is a great way to reach broader audience. You can post engaging content, run ads, or partner with influencers to promote your products. You need also to think about email marketing, because email marketing is one of the most powerful tools for building relationship. Offer freebies like downloadable guides to get them on your email list. Then nurture those relationships with regular emails. Paid ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram can give you an instant traffic boost. Just make sure to target your ads carefully to get the best return on investment. Once you've gotten your first sale and your business is up and running, it is time to scale. And here is how you can take your business to another level. Now, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to outsource and automate. You can't do everything yourself. As business grows, start outsourcing tasks like customer service, content creation, and order fulfillment. Automation tools can also help you to save time. Secondly, add more revenue streams. Don't rely on one source of income. Consider adding new products, services, or even starting new businesses to diversify your income stream. Number 3, you need to invest in ads and marketing. Once you've known what works, pour more resources on your marketing. Hiring a marketing team can exponentially grow your business.